Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share 5 of my skincare tips with you guys. But before I do that, if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel right away. And don't forget to hit that bell icon because you guys don't want to miss out on anything. I think I've been the most ignorant towards this particular tip ever in my life. Because I never paid attention to my skin type, to my skin concerns. So guys, firstly let me tell you why am I calling them my skincare tips. That is because these are the things that I've tried myself on my own skin, and the kind of transformation that I've seen in the past 2 years is dramatic, So I thought that, why not, just come here and share it with you guys also. It will work on everyone because these are just the general skincare tips that we don't really pay attention to. But if we start paying attention to it, we will definitely see a lot of difference in our skin. Let me quickly take you to the video. Skincare tip number 1, use the correct cleanser for your skin type. Guys, I think I've been the most ignorant towards this particular tip ever in my life, because I never paid attention to my skin type, to my skin concerns. I used to pick up any random cleanser, any random face wash, depending on my mood, depending on my preference. ये लेके आओ, ये खत्म हो गया, दूसरा लेके आओ, दूसरा खत्म हो गया, तीसरा लेके आओ. Paid no attention to my skin concern or my skin type. I never really bothered. I didn't know what my skin type was. I'm being very honest with you guys because I never really paid attention to it, and hence I ended up with having no problems cured at all, because I would just use face wash randomly for the sake of using it, I just knew that, okay, I have to use the cleanser, so I'll just use any face wash. Doesn't work like that, guys. We all have different skin types. We all have different skin concerns. What will work for oily skin type will not work for dry skin type. What will work for acne prone skin will not work for extremely dry skin. Our skin concerns are very unique. That is why we need unique solution to it. So please ask your doctor, visit your doctor. Please recognize your skin type and then recognize your skin concerns. What is that particular concern that your skin has? And please go for the kind of cleanser that you want. Guys, to give you my own example, I have a combination acne prone skin. So the kind of cleanser that works on my skin is something that can treat acne, something that does not extremely dry out my skin or overtly moisturize my skin, because I have the combination skin, so I have to balance everything out. Cleanser that really works well on my skin is Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser or Gorgeous Tea Tree Cleansing Gel. These are the 2 cleansers that I've been using for almost 2 years now. I definitely use one at a time, and whenever I feel like I want to change it is when I just go for another one. But I definitely recommend these 2 cleansers for somebody who is my skin type, which is combination acne prone skin. So please select the cleanser that suits your skin type. Do not randomly pick any. That does not help. Tip number 2, moisturize your skin day and night. Again, irrespective of your skin type, your skin definitely needs that moisturization. Please do not avoid it. A lot of us have a very hectic lifestyle and we can't really pay attention to a lot of things. At times we definitely forget to use moisturizer. We just jump to sunscreen or we just jump to the makeup directly. But I don't think that's the ideal thing to do for your skin, because your skin needs hydration, and moisturizer is something that will keep your skin hydrated. So I definitely recommend moisturizing your skin day and night, maybe immediately after your shower when your skin is still moist, so that your skin can really suck in that moisture and it can lock the moisture on your skin. And then in the night before you go to sleep, definitely after you cleanse your skin, because in the night your skin gets time to replenish, your skin gets time to rejuvenate itself. So it's very important that your skin is hydrated. And I know the people who have dry skin type, they still go for moisturizers because they feel their skin is really tight and dry and irritated. But it's equally important for the oily skin types, guys. Please don't be in this delusion that just because you have oily skin type you don't need moisturizer, because if you're not hydrating your skin from outside, it will start producing oil and excessive oil from inside, which will end you up with clogged pores, acne, whiteheads, blackheads and all sorts of skin problems. So please moisturize your skin enough, hydrate your skin, it deserves it. Number 3, say no to fragrance. I know, guys, we all love fragrance. Guilty confession here, I myself love fragrance a lot. But guys, fragrance may be fabulous, but it is not so fabulous for your skin, because fragrance is toxic. Fragrance is something that produces the common causes of irritation, common causes of sensitizing your skin and all the other negative effects on your skin. I know the moment we open the product, we all expect it to smell nice, but let's try and avoid it. And I also know that not all of us can really go for those high-end skin brands which have no fragrance and which are really good for your skin. But I'm sure even in the affordable ranges, there are skin products, which have no fragrance. So let's opt for that, because doing that, we are really helping our skin in the longer run. Tip number 4, use SPF daily. Guys, not even a single day should pass without using SPF. SPF is a very essential part of your skincare routine, and I can vouch for it so much because I've myself seen a lot of transformation in my skin because of SPF. It has really played a very vital role in transforming my skin from what it was to what it is today. I've myself been somebody who never really paid any heed to SPF. I never really understood the importance of it. I just used to think that ye hai, matlab, I can use it, I can avoid using it, but you cannot avoid using SPF. It is something that protects your skin from UVA and UVB rays, which is not good for your skin. It prevents you from the common signs of aging, which are wrinkles, fine lines, spots, pigmentation. So it's very important to use sunscreen, guys. I cannot emphasize on that enough. And if you are using sunscreen regularly, I can also say with a lot of confidence that your skin will eventually become very even toned. This is one of the major transformation in my skincare journey that I've been able to see myself. My skin used to be very uneven tone, but because of the continuous use of SPF, I have been able to have a very even toned skin. So I definitely recommend SPF every single day. Tip number 5, simplify your skincare routine. We all become enthusiastic and end up buying a lot of things, and we end up not using any. That is because I know we definitely don't have so much time to keep paying attention to so many products. Also, we definitely don't want to go through so many steps of skincare routine. So I highly recommend, please simplify your skincare routine. If you're just starting out, don't go overboard, don't become over ambitious, मुझे ये भी करूँगी, वो भी करूँगी. Don't do all of that. If you're just beginning to take care of your skin, then I highly recommend you cleanse, tone, moisturize and use SPF. Because these are the 4 steps which will take care of your skin overall. So just pay attention to these 4 things, and definitely you should do the things that you must do for your skincare concern and your skincare type, but try and simplify it. For example, if you're somebody who forgets using lip balm all the time, then please keep one by your bedside, so that you can just grab it from your bedside and just put it on. You don't have to get up from your bed. And if you are somebody who is extremely lazy to reach out to the products, then keep it where you know that you'll reach out for sure. Say for example, when you wake up in the morning, when you're brushing your teeth, just keep all the cleanser, scrub, mask there so that you see it every day. Whenever you remember, you can use the scrub, you can use the mask. I'm just trying to say that, do something that is practical for you, do something that is easy for you. Don't complicate it. Don't think ye bhi kar lungi, wo bhi kar lungi, and don't end up using nothing. So please organize your skincare routine as per what is convenient to you. Okay guys, those were my 5 important skincare tips for you all. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys understood what I'm trying to say, because these are the most basic things, you know guys. If we pay attention to them, we will definitely be able to achieve the kind of skin that we want to achieve. Please go ahead and incorporate them in your daily routine, and you'll definitely be able to see the transformation like I have. I can definitely vouch for it. And yeah, please enjoy your happy and healthy skin, and I'm going to see you all very soon. You guys have an amazing day, and I love you all.